Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shai. I am the owner of My World of Curls on Instagram and on YouTube, and today I am coming to you with first impressions of this chocolate Kinks Kurls Terra black clay and Maqui berry clay wash. I got this a while ago, but I have been waiting to try this on camera for you guys because I always rant to you guys about how much I love chocolate Kinks Kurls clay washes, and I am a clay bae. Like, I'm a clay bae, that's what I am. I love her clays. I have so many of her clays. And my favorite so far has been the bentonite clay. But I believe I only have tried the red clay and hibiscus clay for you guys. So I wanted to get on here and try another clay so that you guys know how much I love chocolate Kinks Kurls and if I love this one. So far, like I said, I like the bentonite clay, but we will see how this one reacts. So I will let the intro play and then I will show you guys my first impressions of this chocolate Kinks Kurls Terra black clay and Maqui berry clay wash. So stay tuned. Hello, welcome back from the intro. So like I said, we will be trying this clay wash today. As you guys know, clay washes has been like a thing in my regimen that I absolutely do not want to skip. Like, I just love clay washing because since I use a lot of products, there's like a lot of buildup in my hair. In particular, this product that I used like for the past 2 days is this Blow Me Party Paste Outrageous. It's like a gel, like a paste, but this thing leaves so much buildup in my hair, it's ridiculous. So my hair just feels like super hard and crunchy from the gel, and it just feels like really dirty. So I wanted to put this to the test because this clay wash, what I like about it is that it removes product buildup as well as it moisturizes your hair. So this is like a 2-in-1 step for me. As I mentioned in the past, usually when I use this clay wash, I don't have to use a shampoo and a conditioner. I can just use this product. So for that, this product is worth it to me because it basically does 2 jobs in one and it makes my hair feel really good. So I really like these clay washes. Now this one in particular, this one is to detox, moisturize, and strengthen, which honestly sounds amazing to me. This is one of their popular ones. It comes out during that domestic violence month where like victims of domestic violence are like kind of celebrated, and they always come out with this for that. So I really like the smell. I really like the smell. It smells really good. That's one thing I can say off the bat. Ever since I got that clay wash, I've been smelling it because it smells so good. And it kind of looks like the bentonite clay that they have, kind of, but it's not. So let's go ahead. So usually for my clay washes, I've said this in the past, but just so that you guys know, in case you've never watched any of my videos, I like to separate my hair in 4 sections, and I kind of use it as like a pre-poo, just because I like to wash it off and I like to make sure I apply it in all the sections, and I like to leave it in for a little bit to work into my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's very like dry and has a lot of product buildup in it. So first, what I like to do, of course, is water that section. Just make sure it's really like saturated in water because it just makes it easier to detangle. And then I'm gonna take a scoop of this, like that much, and now we're just gonna run it through my hair. And most of the times with these I could detangle, so that's another thing. It like kind of helps detangling, which, you know, is a plus, because then that means my hair is going to be detangled in the shower. And I'm just applying that to that first section. So far it works like most of the clay washes. I like how this one feels. This one does feel like it's a little bit of a lighter texture compared to the ones that they usually have, but I like it and it smells so good. So yeah, this is what I do. You know, I just saturate that section you see that's covered in clay. My hair is clayed up, Even the roots, you gotta make sure you get in the roots because you really want to clean up your roots. And then I just tie it up like this, and I'm gonna do the rest of my hair off camera, but that's just a tutorial of how I apply the clay washes, so you guys can see how I apply them and how I use them. So yeah, that's how I do it, and I'm gonna do it to the rest of my sections, and then I'm gonna come back on camera, and I'm probably gonna leave this in for a little bit, then I'm gonna wash it out and show you guys the results. So I will be right back when all my 4 sections are applied. So I just wanted to show you guys why I like to use this product so much. Look at the definition of my hair. Like, the definition of my hair is amazing after I use this, and it feels literally so good in my hair. So I really like to use these clay washes, like I want to say every 2 weeks. I try not to do it every week, but I know you can do it every week if you want, if you feel like your hair needs it. Me, I do it every 2 weeks because I don't feel like my hair needs like a detox treatment until that point. I use like shampoo and stuff in between, and like co-washes and things. I always switch products, but I really like to make sure I get this treatment in because it does make a difference in my hair, in my opinion. And I like the fact that they have a lot of clays, and each clays have like a purpose. So like not all of them are the same. Some of them are for retention, some of them are for scalp health, and you can really gauge like what your problems are and choose the clay that you want. And of course, it's natural and it's organic, and it feels good in my hair. Like I could tell because of how my hair feels. So that is really why I like to use these clay washes. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you that piece before I put it up. But my hair is completely covered in the clay. It feels great. It was super easy to detangle. My hair was a little tangled though, I'm not gonna lie, because like I do my hair every week, and so I haven't done my hair in like a good week, so my hair was tangled. But it helps in detangling. I just had to use a bit of product. This is about how much I use, but one of these jars will last me like a good, I want to say like maybe 4 or 5 months. So it lasts me a while because like I said, I don't use this every week. I use this every 2 weeks, so that's part of the reason why. And then also a little goes a long way. So so far I really do recommend this product as for application, but I have to see how my hair feels after it washes out, because that is the ultimate test. And I will show you guys what my hair looks like after I wash it out, and I'll get back on camera and tell you guys my final opinion on this Chocolate Kinks and Curls Terra Black Clay and Maqui Berry Clay Wash. Alright guys, so I'm back from my shower, and this is the result of me washing out my clay wash. And as you can see, like I said, it looks clean and it looks moisturized. So it really does take the job of 2 products when I use it, which is why I like to use it, because when I'm in a rush and I don't really have time to shampoo and then sit there and deep condition, it does help push the process further along. So now I can just go ahead and style and then diffuse my hair, and my hair is all set. But I just wanted to show you it so you guys can see. And it kind of like boosts my curl definition a little bit. It helps with my curl definition, and it just really helps my hair health in general. It does say on the package that to deep condition right after this, that they recommend it, but honestly I never really deep condition after using this clay wash, and my hair is literally just fine. So usually I just use that as a pre-poo, leave it in for like about 15 minutes, and then I rinse it out. And this is the result of my hair, and then I just go into styling and everything. To be honest, I did like this product. It really reminded me of my favorite, which is the bentonite clay one. It really made my hair feel really good, like clean but moisturized, usually like how these clay washes usually make my hair feel. But what I liked about this one is it wasn't too thin. It helped to detangle. I used the mango mai tai clay wash, and I didn't really like that one that much because I noticed it was on the thinner side, and honestly didn't like the way it felt on my hair compared to the ones that I have used. So I really did like this one. I feel like I would repurchase this one along with the bentonite clay because it was good. It did not stain my shower, which is a big thing that the red clay and hibiscus one did. It definitely stains your shower if you use it because the clay just clings on to your bathtub. And this one, I didn't face this problem with this one. So because of that, I like it. I feel like if I were to repurchase more chocolate Kinks and Kurls clay washes, which I feel like I will in the future because it is a part of my curl regimen, I would purchase either the Terra black clay and Maqui berry clay wash or the bentonite clay one. So that speaks a lot for the product. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about these clay washes if you've tried them yourself, if you would like me to try other ones, because I also have, I believe I have the Levion chocolate covered strawberries clay wash that they came out with. I won that one in a giveaway and I have yet to try it. So if you guys want to see me try that one, which is a mix of the red clay and hibiscus mask with the cocoa cream clay wash that they first came out with. So if you want to see me try that one, please let me know down below. Let me know what you think about these videos, and if you would like more content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. But yes, I would absolutely repurchase this, and I have several to get through. Once I finish those, I will absolutely continue to repurchase this and the bentonite clay ones. So yeah, that is the conclusion of my video, and see you guys next video. Bye.